Let me tell you something real. Hindi ka stuck dahil malas ka. Hindi ka rin stuck dahil kulang ka sa opportunity. You're stuck because of what you're doing daily. And today, I'll tell you exactly what you're not growing. If you feel like paulit-ulit na lang ang buhay mo, same routine, same results, walang progress, listen carefully. Growth is not about luck. It's about habits, decisions, and discipline. At kung wala ang tatlong yan, talagang hindi ka angat. Reason number 1, no consistency. You're not consistent. Minsan ganado ka, minsan hindi. Minsan sipag na sipag, tapos biglang nawawala. The problem is, success doesn't come from what you do once. It comes from what you do every single day. Consistency beats motivations always. Reason number 2, too much thinking, less action. You overthink but you don't take action. Ang dami mong plano, ang dami mong gustong simulan, pero hanggang isip lang. Here's the truth, you don't grow by thinking, you grow by doing. Even if it's messy, even if it's not perfect, start anyway. Reason number 3, wrong environment. You're in the wrong environment. Paligid mo, puro reklamo, puro negativity, walang growth mindset. And guess what? Kung ano ang lagi mong naririnig, yun ang nagiging paniniwala mo. If you stay in the wrong circle, you stay in the same level. Reason number 4, fear of failure. You're afraid to fail. Takot kang mapahiya, takot kang magkamali, takot kang husgahan. But here's the reality. Failure is not the enemy. Staying the same is. Every successful person failed first. The difference, hindi sila tumigil. Reason number 5, no value creation. You're not creating value. Gusto mong kumita pero wala ka namang binibigay. Let me be clear. You don't get paid for wanting money. You get paid for solving problems. The more value you give, the more you grow. So, if you're not growing right now, don't blame your situation. Don't blame other people. Check your habits, check your actions, because growth is a choice. And starting today, you can choose to stay the same or you can choose to level up. The question is, ano ang pipiliin mo? Comment down below and see you in the comment section.